Ijen Crater is closed. We're going to this other place called, I don't know.
Where? Where? Kawah Wurung. Okay.
So it's cold and I'm wearing 4 layers. That's so cool.
Yeah, is it very cold?
I need something hot.
This one is more hot. This one is more hot.
Tea.
43 Milo.
Good morning, guys. Today we woke up super early at 3 to try and come down to Mount Ijen. Unfortunately, it's closed, so we're taking an alternative route. And right now we are at Kawah Ijen, and it is a waterfall. We motorbiked our way here, and we're gonna check it out now. It's acidic, right?
Now it is cool,
Ooh, yeah, it's cool.
but not cannot drink.
Cannot drink. Where are we now?
Welcome to the acid waterfall.
Right
That's what it's
here.
called. It's sulfur, so don't touch it. You'll
I
get-
just touched it.
Oh really? Just go away.
I'm coming for you.
It's 2:30 in the morning, and we're gonna climb Mount Bromo. And we're just getting ready for Bromo too.
It is cold and well, 5 layers. But I think I'm ready. Ah. Yep.
And over here we have Amanda, who woke us up too early in the morning.
Oh, like the iPhone woke us up. Yeah.
Yeah, so here she's an overachiever.
I only have 3 layers.
3 layers.
All the best to me.
So we are hiding from the wind over here.
It's 3:45 in the morning. It is freezing cold because the wind is so strong. So we are waiting here with a hot Milo.
Hot Milo. Oh,
It's so much better.
you want to check out how strong the wind is? Should I check it out? Okay, I'm gonna check it out.
We're gonna check out how windy it is at the top.
Oh. Oh my god. Oh. Really windy. Oh my god, so cold.
I think this is the spot.
Yeah, I think you can see the.
Oh my, there's so
wait.
many stars. Hey guys, so we woke up today at like 1:50 to catch the sunrise here. But you can see behind me there's Mount Bromo, and it's just beautiful. Super cold. So what do you think, Maddie?
It's a beautiful place, but it's really cold.
Yeah, nay.
Yay.
This is our Jeep.
From the in front, there is a side door. You want to go in front?
Hello. Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. We're at the standstill and I'm riding a horse. It's the best thing ever. Yeah, we're lining up for a photo right here.
How's your horse?
I feel like I'm a princess.
Princess. Seems like everywhere we go, there's always a hike to a beautiful view that awaits us. So, whew. And here we have our second place winner, Amanda. How are you feeling?
Oh my god. Nobody told me about it.
And our third place, Josh. Still looking energetic. Okay. Hey guys, so we're now at the top of Mount Bromo, and over us you can see the crater.
There is smoke coming out of it. Indicate that it's still active.
Yeah.
It's so cool. I can't believe we're in an active volcano. Yay.
So we are near the end of our trip, and we are headed to the Madakaripura waterfall, the second highest waterfall in Indonesia. It's 200 meters high, and you see how high it goes. It's about a 1.4 km walk-in, about 10 minutes or so.
Huge waterfall, the second largest in Indonesia, and it is just like the mist trail that we did. Woo! And we're wearing a raincoat because otherwise we get all drenched.
What's the name of the waterfall?
Fun. Makasutran.
Bia, what's the name of the waterfall?
Madagascar.
What's the name of the waterfall, Amanda?
Makaripuni.
Huh? How was the name of the waterfall? Ari, what's the name of the waterfall?
The name is Madakaripura.
Madakaripura. Oh, wrong.
Madakaripura.
Pura.
Madakaripura waterfall. Right here. Standing at 200 meters tall. And he is the best guide ever. He knows everything from where to go to get the best photos, as well as what to eat and where to get beer, stuff like that. So yeah, if you're coming to Mount Bromo, look for Ari. Yeah!
Thank you.